Life on the International Space Station is an extraordinary adventure. Astronauts live and work in a place where gravity is almost non-existent, which makes everyday tasks different from on Earth. Imagine floating while you eat or having to sleep strapped to a wall. One question people often have is, how do astronauts handle the kitchen and bathroom in space? Let's find out. The ISS kitchen isn't much like the ones we have at home. It's a compact, highly organized space designed to make the most of every inch available. There are no stoves or ovens, just a special oven that uses heat to warm food. This oven is quite different from what we use on Earth. It's designed to work in microgravity, ensuring that the food heats evenly without the need for gravity to help distribute the heat. Astronauts eat pre-packaged meals that are dehydrated or irradiated to kill bacteria. These meals are carefully prepared and packaged to ensure they remain safe and nutritious during long missions. The process of dehydration removes moisture, making the food lightweight and easy to store. These meals come in pouches and are rehydrated with hot or cold water. The rehydration process is crucial as it brings the food back to its original state, making it palatable and easier to eat. Astronauts have to be precise with the amount of water they add to ensure the right consistency. Eating in space is different because food doesn't stay put on plates. In the microgravity environment of the ISS, food tends to float around, making mealtime a unique challenge. It floats around, so astronauts have to be careful not to let their meals drift away. They often use special utensils and techniques to keep their food contained. Velcro, magnets, and special containers are all part of the dining experience in space, ensuring that every bite is as controlled as possible. The bathroom on the ISS is a small compartment with a few essential features. Instead of a shower, astronauts use wet wipes and special no-rinse shampoo to keep themselves clean. Water doesn't flow in space like it does on Earth. It forms into little balls that float around, which could be messy. Brushing teeth is also different. Astronauts swallow their toothpaste after brushing because spitting it out isn't an option. Section 4. The Space Latrine, a waste disposal wonder. The space latrine is a unique contraption that uses airflow instead of water to remove waste. This is because in the microgravity environment of space, traditional plumbing systems simply wouldn't work. Instead of relying on gravity to pull waste down, the space toilet uses a powerful airflow system to suck waste away from the body and into a storage container. Astronauts have to strap themselves in to stay put while using it. This might sound uncomfortable, but it's a necessary step to ensure that they don't float away mid-use. The straps help them maintain a proper seal with the toilet seat, which is crucial for the airflow system to work effectively. Solid waste is collected and stored for disposal later. The waste is compressed and stored in special containers to minimize space. These containers are then either returned to Earth for disposal or ejected into space to burn up in the atmosphere. Liquid waste is filtered and recycled into clean drinking water. The filtration system on the ISS is incredibly advanced, capable of turning urine into water that is even purer than what most of us drink on Earth. This process is vital for long-duration space missions, as it reduces the need to send large quantities of water into space. Yes, you read that right. The water recycling system is so efficient that astronauts can drink the same water over and over again, with each cycle ensuring that it is safe and clean. On the ISS, even pee gets a second life. This closed-loop system is a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity, ensuring that astronauts have a reliable supply of water while minimizing waste. Section 5. Space. The final frontier awaits. Living in space is an incredible feat of human ingenuity. The International Space Station, or ISS, serves as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we push the boundaries of science and technology. Floating hundreds of miles above Earth, the ISS is a marvel of engineering and a hub of scientific research. Here, astronauts from around the world come together to conduct experiments that are impossible to perform on Earth, taking advantage of the unique microgravity environment. From the unique challenges of preparing food to the ingenious solutions for waste management, life on the ISS is a constant exercise in problem-solving and innovation. Preparing food in space requires special packaging and preparation methods to ensure that it is safe and nutritious. Astronauts must also deal with the lack of gravity, which affects everything from how food is cooked to how it is eaten. Waste management is another critical aspect of life on the ISS, with advanced systems in place to recycle as much as possible and minimize the amount of waste that needs to be disposed of. Life on the ISS provides a glimpse into the future of human exploration. The technology and techniques developed for living and working in space are paving the way for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. The ISS serves as a testing ground for new technologies and a training ground for astronauts who will one day venture further into the cosmos. The lessons learned here are invaluable for the future of space exploration. As we venture further into the cosmos, the knowledge gained from living in space will continue to shape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The experiments conducted on the ISS are helping us to understand the effects of long-term space travel on the human body, develop new materials and technologies, and even search for signs of life beyond Earth. Each discovery brings us one step closer to answering some of the biggest questions about our universe. To learn more about space exploration and the wonders of the International Space Station, there are countless resources available. From documentaries and books to online articles and virtual tours, you can explore the fascinating world of space from the comfort of your own home. The ISS is not just a laboratory in space, it is a symbol of international cooperation and a beacon of hope for the future of humanity. Visit NASA's website and embark on your own journey of discovery. There, you can find the latest news about space missions, learn about the science being conducted on the ISS, and even watch live streams from the space station. The final frontier awaits, and there is so much more to discover.